So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to connect Lyft driver app to Tesla, Bluetooth, CarPlay audio and navigation setup. So connect to Lyft app to your Tesla account. Open the Lyft driver app on your phone, then tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select the account option from the menu, tap on setting then navigation. Tap on Tesla touchscreen navigation. Toggle the switch to on to enable route sharing. Tap the Connect Tesla account button at the bottom. Log in using your Tesla account email and password when the official Tesla prompt appear. Check the boxes to grant Lyft permission to access your vehicle navigation system. Tap Allow to finalize the link. How it works during a ride. Accept ride during a request on Lyft driver app. Monitor Tesla dashboard for automatic destination display. Then use Tesla navigation screen for route guidance. Switch to phone screen to tap arrive, start ride or drop off at the destination pin. Thanks for watching.